Hi! Today I want to show you our Beyond Cloud Connector. As the name suggests, the Cloud Connector connects cloud storage to your Business Central. In most cases, you already have cloud storage, but you are not using it to its full extent. With Beyond Cloud Connector, you can connect various cloud storages like SharePoint, Azure Files, Azure Blob Storage, and OneDrive. You might ask yourself, why should I connect a cloud storage to my Business Central? Well, that's a question with multiple answers. Maybe you are running low on storage, or you need a centralized storage for important documents. By default, you have a certain storage in your Business Central database. The available storage capacity is a sum of your storage add-ons, productive environments, and purchased licenses. The bigger your company grows, the more files are saved, and each file takes a bit your storage. Also, the more files accumulate in your system, the more confusing it becomes. But before you decide to buy more storage capacity and make space for even more files, why don't you consider to move files into a cloud storage and store them in a smart way? Save files in the cloud and utilize your cloud storage. I will show you how you benefit from the features of our Cloud Connector. Once the cloud storage is connected to your Business Central, you can configure the pages on which a drop zone is displayed. The drop zone is your connection to the cloud storage on over 30 pages. We can also easily customize this drop zone to more pages if needed. Drag and drop one or more files to the drop zone to upload them to the cloud storage. You can define categories and structure your files. In this way, you can use the drop zone as a centralized storage for customer-related files. This drop zone allows you to work with the files stored in the cloud without having to leave your Business Central. Preview the files and print them without leaving the browser. Even mails and attachments from Outlook can be uploaded with the drop zone. Drag and drop the mail to the drop zone. By the way, this also works with the attachments included in the mail. Your uploaded files remain attached in the drop zone for the entire document path. When you create a sales quote and upload files, those files are transferred to the next stage of the document. In this video, you can see how the uploaded files in a sales quote are transferred to a sales order. In this way, you always have all relevant files in the drop zone at the current status of your document. Our integrated cloud file search allows you to search for a specific file and make sure you find the file you are looking for. Each file uploaded via Business Central gets metadata and a file category, so there are more infos than just the file name. Free your database from the burden of large files and large quantities of files and make better use of the database storage. You can also set up automatic report archiving. In this short example, I will show you how you can set up the Cloud Connector so all sales invoices are automatically archived. Let's go. First, you navigate to the Cloud Storages list. Then click New and choose Report Archive from the dropdown. In the Available Values for the Table ID field, scroll down to Sales Invoice Header. Select the Connect Cloud Storage in the Cloud Application Code field. After that, enter a folder name in which the files are going to be archived. In the Report tab, you need to specify the report ID. If you like, you can also add some metadata for the files. By default, the document number is already part of the metadata for the file. We will add the bill to customer number. And of course, the customer name. A reference would also be helpful. Last but not least, the posting date. All you need to finish the automatic report archiving function of Beyond Cloud Connector is to click on Activate in the menu bar, and that's it. Just download Beyond Cloud Connector from AppSource and start your 30 days trial. And if you are a Business Central partner, we're happy to welcome you as a reseller. We can also easily customize our Cloud Connector to your specific needs. This is Beyond IT.